Have you been feeling angry, depressed, down, moody, just not yourself? We have a solution. It's called Exomind. And Exomind is the latest, greatest, newest technology for treating all of these mental health issues and for mental wellness without medication, without drugs, without side effects. Exomind works by using a small magnetic impulse over the head, and it works through something called neuroplasticity, where it helps the mind to return back to the way it was before you became depressed, before you became moody, before you became angry and you weren't yourself. This here is the part that actually goes right over your head, and it provides this little electrical stimulation that actually helps you to feel better without having any side effects. I'm Dr. Marvin Bleiberg, and I'm a physical medicine and rehabilitation doctor and pain management physician, and I discovered this cutting-edge technology and decided to bring it out to all of my patients and to the community as an alternative to all those drugs that make people sick. Traditional TMS, or transcranial magnetic stimulation, takes 30 separate visits. It's uncomfortable. It takes a long time to do special brain mapping. This literally is 6 visits. Brain mapping on this is just minutes, and it works really well. It's comfortable. The most patients feel is a little tapping sensation, a little massage. Most of my patients actually fall asleep. It is so comfortable. But when you wake up, you already feel better. Most people feel better after the first treatment. This is only 6 sessions and you're on your way to recovery. Most people don't need any more than 6 sessions, but there's always the option to do more than that if you need it. Anybody looking for mental wellness, people that are depressed, people that are down, people that are angry, people with anxiety, obsessive compulsive disorder, anybody that just needs a little pick-me-up. This actually also helps for binge eating, people that have cravings, and helps to cut that out. It's absolutely a miracle unit. I have never seen anything like it. Well, people that have schizophrenia, somebody that has bipolar disorder we're careful with, somebody that has metal in their brain, or an implantable stimulator, or even epilepsy, those are people that we want to avoid it. But most of my patients are excellent candidates and do absolutely wonderful with it. Patients usually come in and we do an evaluation, and then we start out with a visit, and we set you up for 25 minutes. You're laying on a bed, nice and comfortable. We actually set the machine up gradually and gently, and most of my patients fall asleep. They feel a gentle tapping on their head, and when they wake up, though, they feel calm, they're relaxed, they're smiling. It helps to clear up thinking. It's absolutely wonderful. A lot of my patients feel better after 1 or 2 sessions. By the time they've gone through 6, they feel like a different person. And I've had patients actually get off of their antidepressants after treatment. It truly is wonderful. There actually have been numerous studies. Exomind is actually FDA cleared in the United States for depression. And those studies actually show wonderful success rates. Most people actually have remarkable results and are extremely happy with it. The biggest side effect I actually see is a dry mouth, but we have a solution. We have water. It is amazing. Sometimes we see a little headache or a little ringing in the ear or a little tingling, but that goes away quickly, usually before people even leave the office. Most of my patients, however, have no side effects at all, and they just think it's an absolute miracle. And I decided to offer Exomind because I run a pain clinic, and my pain patients are depressed, they're down. A lot of people have some brain fog, like you might see in fibromyalgia. They can't think clearly, and the Exomind added that piece to my practice that we were missing. We can help people with their pain, with their rehabilitation, but it was the mental health that we were stuck using pain pills and stuck using antidepressants. And instead of using these type of medications, I now have something that I can offer patients that is medication-free, it's side effect-free, and people get better quickly. And that is the amazing thing with this. So something simple like this can actually change your life. TMS, or transcranial magnetic stimulation, is about 3 to 4 times the cost. This is quicker, it's less sessions, and it's way less expensive. And it makes it affordable for just about all of my patients with remarkable results. Unfortunately, insurance does not cover Exomind, but There are payment plans for patients who qualify, and the cost of Exomind is very affordable compared to traditional transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS. I think the one thing to take away is this is new technology, but it's based on technology that's been around for over 20 years. It's been proven to be safe and effective, and this is the state-of-the-art, best there is out there, and at Michigan Spine and Pain, we're absolutely proud to offer it. We can actually change people's lives.